Welcome. In front of me is an Air 2 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold the power button and select power off and wait for the device to turn off, which does take a while. You can flip it over and just wait for the lights to turn off. You can see these rings, so we're just gonna wait for those to go off. There we go. Once they do, we're gonna now hold the power button and volume up. And this takes us to the boot mode. Now in here we have three options. We have first one being a recovery mode, then Fastboot mode, and then normal boot. I am gonna bring it closer, so let's just get it like actually visible. You can probably see this is absolutely tiny text. So you navigate using volume up only, and you can see there is this arrow. Sorry for the shaky hand. This is a bit hard to hold it in front of a camera like this. But you press volume up to navigate through the options. And once you have an option that you want to select or confirm selected, press volume down to confirm it. So I do want to get to normal boot, which takes me back to Android, so that's what I'm going to confirm. And give it a moment and this will reboot and get us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.